Build thy boat, O monk, and tight. It will swiftly move, lastless and headless in Nibbana be. Dhammapad 369. O monk, your boat must be emptied of the water, which, if accumulated, will sink it. Once the water is taken out and the boat is emptied, both last and head gone, it will swiftly reach the destination Nibbana. O Bhikkhu, build this boat. When emptied, it will swiftly go, having severed last and head. Thus to Nibbana you will go. Dhammapad 369. Hincho bhikkhu imong nabong siddha te lohu mesyati setta ragonso dasanso tato nibbano mehisi. Dhammapad 369.